anyone. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So, king planned to take advice of a hermit. Hermit means a saint, a person who lives alone and leads a very simple life, like a saint. And he was renowned for his wisdom. Wisdom means बुद्धि. अपनी बुद्धि के लिए वह बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध था. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. So where did hermit live? He lived in a small forest. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Hermit had a condition that he would meet only simple people, not extraordinary person. So the king put ordinary clothes, not royal clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So with simplicity, king reached hermit's hut, leaving all his bodyguards and his horse behind. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. So as the king reached there, means hermit's hut, he saw him digging the ground in front of his small hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. So the hermit greeted the king, welcomed the king, and he again continued his task of digging the pit. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. Hermit was an old person, and he was also weak. So as he was working, he was taking deep breath. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. So the king said about the reason of going there and requested the hermit to give the answers of all these 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So, what is the most important time to do a thing? And who are the most important people in my life? And what are the most important things to be done? The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. The hermit listened all his questions very attentively but did not give any single answer. He went on digging. He kept on digging his pit. You are tired, said the king. The king asked the hermit if he was tired because the king was expecting the answers and he was not being replied. Let me take the spade and work into your place. So the king asked the old hermit to do his task, to help him in digging the pit. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. The hermit thanked him for this noble task of helping the old man and he gave his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. Who sat down? The hermit sat down on the ground to take some relief. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. So the king started to dig the beds, and after completing 2 beds, he repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, "Now you rest and let me work." Again, he did not give any answer. The hermit did not give any answer. He just stood up and asked the king to give his spade and take some rest. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. The king was expecting the answer. So, as he was not satisfied with the answers, he was not given any answer, he continued to dig the bed. 1 hour passed, then another. So, 1 hour, second hour, and in this way, one after another hour was passing. The sun went down behind the trees. So the sun set. It was evening time, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, "I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my question." It means the king was filled with anger, and he asked the wise man to give his answers again. But he waited till evening. There was no answer, and in this way he was tired waiting. "If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home." The king asked frankly. If he had no answer, if he had no intellectual intellect to give him answer, he would return his home or his palace. "Here comes someone running," said the hermit. The hermit said that, "I have come to know that someone is coming towards us. So let us see." Now the second part I will explain you tomorrow, and try to find out the given questions from the text.